Have you ever wondered if there's a simple drink that could help your liver feel lighter and your blood vessels stay cleaner? Something natural, colorful, and packed with everyday ingredients? What if the secret isn't in a pill bottle but sitting right in your fridge? Today, we're talking about what I like to call a natural vitamin bomb. It's a bright, fresh blend made from 4 powerful ingredients that support your liver, circulation, and overall energy. This isn't about extreme detox plans or starving yourself. It's about adding something simple and nourishing to your daily routine. Your liver works hard every single day. It helps filter waste, process what you eat, and support your metabolism. At the same time, your blood vessels are constantly moving oxygen and nutrients around your body. When both systems are supported, you often feel clearer, lighter, and more energized. Let's start with the first star of this drink, beetroot. Beets have that deep red color for a reason. That rich color comes from natural plant compounds that help fight inflammation and support healthy blood flow. When your circulation improves, your body can deliver oxygen more efficiently. Beets are also known for supporting the liver. Think of your liver as your body's cleaning crew. Beets may help that crew work more smoothly. Some people even notice better stamina during workouts when they add beets to their diet because improved blood flow can support endurance. Next up is the carrot. Carrots are loaded with vitamins, especially vitamin A, which supports your eyes and immune system. They also add a natural sweetness to the drink, which balances the earthy taste of beetroot. If you're someone who struggles to eat enough vegetables, this is an easy way to sneak more in. Carrots also contain antioxidants. These help protect your cells from everyday stress caused by pollution, processed foods, and even lack of sleep. When your cells are supported, your whole body benefits. It's a simple vegetable with a lot of power. Now let's talk about ginger. Just a small piece can completely change this drink. Ginger is well known for helping digestion. If you ever feel bloated or heavy after meals, ginger may help things move along more comfortably. But that's not all. Ginger also supports circulation and has natural anti-inflammatory properties. That warm, slightly spicy kick you taste is part of what makes it so powerful. It wakes up your taste buds and your digestive system at the same time. The fourth key ingredient is parsley. Most people see parsley as just a garnish on the side of a plate, but parsley is actually packed with nutrients. It supports kidney function and helps your body manage excess salt. Too much salt can make you feel puffy and sluggish. Parsley may help your body release that extra water weight. It also contains vitamin C and other antioxidants that support your immune system. We're not done yet. Adding a fresh tomato gives this drink even more benefits. Tomatoes are low in calories and rich in important plant compounds like lycopene. Lycopene is known for supporting heart health and protecting blood vessels. Tomatoes add a refreshing, slightly tangy flavor. When combined with beet, carrot, ginger, and parsley, you get a balanced drink that tastes fresh and vibrant. It's like giving your body a colorful boost first thing in the morning. Here's how it all comes together. Take 1 peeled beetroot and 1 carrot. Chop them into smaller pieces so they blend smoothly. Add them to a blender with a little water to help everything move. Then add a small piece of fresh ginger and a handful of parsley. Toss in a fresh tomato. Pour in about 70 milliliters of water to adjust the texture. Blend until smooth and vibrant. What you're left with is a bright red drink packed with nutrients. It's fresh, natural, and made entirely from whole foods. No artificial flavors, no added sugars, just real ingredients working together. Now here's the big insight. This drink alone won't magically clean your liver overnight. Your liver already knows how to do its job. The real power comes from supporting it consistently with nutrient-rich foods. When you give your body more vegetables, more antioxidants, and more anti-inflammatory compounds, you reduce the burden on your system. Over time, that support can help your circulation, energy levels, and even how your skin looks. It's not about detoxing in a dramatic way, it's about daily nourishment. Also remember, balance matters. This drink works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. That means staying hydrated, moving your body regularly, and eating a mix of whole foods. A short walk after meals, strength training a few times a week, and good sleep all play a role. If you have any medical conditions or take medications, it's always smart to check with your doctor before adding new health drinks to your routine. Natural doesn't always mean it's right for everyone. Your health is personal and it deserves careful attention. The bottom line is simple. Beetroot supports circulation, carrot brings vitamins and antioxidants, Ginger boosts digestion and fights inflammation. Parsley helps manage excess salt. Tomatoes support heart health. Together, they create a powerful natural blend that supports your liver and blood vessels in a gentle way. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe for more simple, natural health tips. Share this with someone who loves fresh juices or is looking for healthier habits. And I want to ask you something. Have you ever tried adding beets or ginger to your daily routine, and did you notice any difference? Let me know in the comments. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.